Hello, welcome to MG's Question Corner. I'm Fran, and today's question is from Matt in Minnesota. Matt asked when to outsource and when to bring the technology in-house. Most of the case, a lot of people are starting off outsourcing first, and then if it makes sense, they bring the technology in. Here, Master Graphics, we help you in the evaluation process. So we start taking a look at potential applications, material properties, and then we narrow down what type of technology you are going to need. Then we discuss volume. If you have enough applications, we help you determine if it makes sense to bring the technology in, or if you don't have enough applications yet, enough volume yet, it makes more sense to outsource. We do have a partners, service bureaus that are our customers. If the technology that we determined for your needs, some of our customers have, we usually connect to with our partners so you can start outsourcing. So you prove it out, the application, you prove out the material. Then if you have enough volume, if you have enough applications, then we start taking a look if it makes sense to bring the technology in. If it doesn't, if you don't have enough applications yet, or if you don't have enough volume yet, then it makes more sense to just keep outsourcing. If this question resonates with you, feel free to reach out to me or anyone at Master Graphics. I'm always happy to learn more about your process and your applications and continue the conversation. Thank you.